fold it into fourths. Should look like this. And then you get some twine. I just bought this at the local hardware store. It's like $2.50. Cut a little chunk off. The twine, you can do it with any kind of string, but the twine kind of gives it a rustic feel. And since it's spring, I think that adds a nice touch. And then you just tie a little bow or a knot. It's up to you. And then you simply take a sprig of lavender, which smells lovely, and you put it in your final product. And it's just a cute little touch, and it doesn't cost much. This lavender here I bought on Amazon. You can get it on Etsy. It's nice to just have around the house. Just it's aromatic, but it's also a really nice touch for dinner parties. And as you can see, there's enough here for many dinner parties, leading probably through the entire summer. So that's all.